Hi there, welcome to the dress shop. We're here with a couple of quick tips today on how to make your bridal shopping experience just a little bit better. First off, you will definitely get hungry during your shopping experience. It is a long day. So we recommend drinking lots of water, eating something light, and definitely maybe bringing a couple of snacks with you. Second off, dress shopping is so much fun, but it is also exhausting and overwhelming. So definitely limit the number of appointments you're going to. We recommend 1, maybe 2 stores, and also don't be afraid to cancel your other appointments if you find the dress. Ultimately, all stores, all we want is for you to find the dress that you fall in love with. So if you found that, go ahead and just say, I'm done, this is it. And finally, shop sooner than later. Dresses can take up to 8 months to come in, and you also need time for alterations. You need to find your bridesmaids dresses, your accessories, your tuxes, and everything else that is all based around the style of dress that you chose. So shop sooner than later. I hope those tips help, and have a wonderful day.